For number 1, discuss what is a risk management on ships. Identification, evaluation, and mitigation of any risks and hazards are all part of a risk management on board a ship in order to protect the cargo, passenger, crew, and ship itself. It consists of action including following safety protocols, being ready for emergency, and adhering the rules. For number 2, explain how risk analysis is being. In marine operation, risk analysis entails assessing the possibility and possible consequences of a variety of risks, including fire, piracy, collisions, groundings, and unfavorable weather. It uses methods to prioritize mitigation activities and quantify hazards such as problematic risk assessment, hazard identification, and the fault tree analysis. For number 3, explain why risk assessment is important on board ship. Risk assessment plays a critical role in preventing accidents, preserving human life, and protecting the environment when board ships. In order to reduce the risk and guarantee safe operation at sea, it aids in the identification of possible hazard, evaluation of their effects, and implementation of suitable control measures. For number 4, discuss what are the risks different types countermeasured used on board. Technological solutions such as navigational aids, safety equipment, and surveillance system. Operational measures like a crew training, emergency drills, and voyage planning and regulatory compliance with International Maritime Convention and standard are some example of various types of risk countermeasure used on board ships. For number 5, as a maritime cadet, how can you use and apply the risk assessment? For me, it is essential for a maritime cadet to comprehend ship risk management in order to guarantee the safety, security of the ship, its crew, and its cargo. As a maritime cadet also, it entails being proactive in spotting possible risks such as bad weather or equipment malnumbering and acting to lessen them. This can entail taking part in safety exercising, being conservant with emergency protocols, and keeping up with legal obligations. Cadet actively participate in risk management procedures which promote a culture and readiness and safety on board ships.